So this morning I have the pleasure to work on this old white machine. I'm not actually certain what the model number is on this. Um, I've never seen this specific model before, although I've seen ones that are around the same time period. But what's really great about these old machines is that there's really easy access into them. Most modern machines use screws to hold all the panels together, and the old ones do it a little differently. So for this one, this drops open to where you can add different control cams and different things on the front, but the top just pops off, which is really cool. You can see the internal mechanism here. It's your zigzag cam here. Everything is just solid, heavy metal. Everything is really durable. And then right in the center, you have a plastic wheel right here. I think this is also synthetic, the cam here. But everything else is solid metal, and this thing is extremely heavy. You can see how thick all the metal is. It's solid. And the other really cool part about this that's very different than modern machines is the bobbin case area. So I'm going to switch down there. All right, so in most modern machines, you have a bobbin case that just kind of clicks into place, and you release it, pull it off, and you got your bobbin inside. This one is quite a bit different. It still has those things, but if you look down here, this plate is a solid, thick mechanism. There's no bobbin case to be found. There's a release lever right here, and you push it up, and this swings forward. There's your bobbin case. Okay. This is it. It's very different. What's cool about it is, though, it does still use, I can get it out of here, it does still use a standard L-class bobbin. It looks a little bit different than the modern L-class, but the dimensions are exactly the same. Right? So if you've got one of those straight stitch machines that Baby Lock makes, that Brother has a version of it, Janome has a version of it. It's the same bobbin. It's an L-class bobbin. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, everything else about it is very, very different. So very cool machine. The side just flips open. So you have full access to everything. That's the greatest part about this. If you look at the bottom, you just tip it up. There's not a whole lot down here. But yeah, everything's easy to get to. And the one place that does have screws is down here, where you've got your gearbox for the hook. So, awesome machine. I'm going to get to it here and get this thing cleaned up and lubricated for this customer and get it back working. I love working on these old machines. All right, if anyone knows what this model is, tell me in the comments. I'm going to be searching around here when I'm done and see if I can find it as well. And if you have any requests on machines that you want me to talk about, I'd be glad to do that. If I can find one, I'll make a video of it. All right. Until next time, take care.